Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit Polaroid images or pictures in Canva. So that's so easy. First of all, you need to come up to this site canva.com. Then what you need to do, just click on the create option which is on the left side, and just right here you'll see the option custom size. And once you click there, here we're gonna change the units from pixels to inches and set the width around 11.69. height would be 8.27, and just click on create new design. Once the design is created, we're gonna insert the element here. So for that, click on elements and we're gonna insert shape first. So this is the square shape we want, so just drag this onto the canvas. Now here you need to click on position. Similarly, we're gonna change the width and height of the shape, and it would be 2.13 by 3.4. okay, once you do that, here you have the option for color, so just click on that. It would be white. We're gonna change the stroke style, so click on this, choose this stroke and set it on 1. okay, now we need to set this right here. okay, now we're gonna add frame here. So in order to do that, what you need to do, click on elements, just scroll it down and you'll see the section for frames, and we similarly gonna insert the squarish frames. So just drag this onto canvas. Again, click on position. We again gonna change the width and height of the frame, so it would be 1.8 by 2.5. okay, once you change that, just fit this frame inside the shape. okay, at this point you're good to go. We're just gonna duplicate this. So for that, just select them, hit right click, click on duplicate, just align it like this. Again, select all of this, hit right click, click on duplicate. It would be here, hit right click, duplicate, align it right here. Now to make it even faster, we're gonna select all of this, hit right click, click on duplicate and align it just right here. okay, once you do this, we're gonna add pictures here. So for that, I'll just go to uploads. Now if you haven't uploaded your images onto Canva, you need to upload them first. I have already uploaded my images, so I'm just gonna insert them here. So for that, I'll just drag these images onto the frame, and yep, we just need to repeat the same process. And yeah, it is looking good. Now if you want to download this, for that just go to share, and from here you can just download it and take a print of whatever you want to do. You can just do that. But yeah, it is that easy to create or edit Polaroid images in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.